And we have another subtitle, and I'll be requesting Mr. Nikhilanand to kindly come up on stage once again. And the subtitle is Miss Glowing Skin. Can we have Mr. Nikhilanand on stage once again, please? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to announce the top 20. Shall we begin, Asmita?
Well, I believe it's about time to announce the top 20 finalists. And ladies and gentlemen, 2025 is contestant number 32, Rouge Tinu.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the second lady advancing to the top 20 is contestant number 24, Ojasvi Sharma.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, making her spot in the top 20 is contestant number 3, Amishi Kaushik.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fourth lady proceeding towards the crown is 31, Rizal Singh.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next lady to make it to the top 20 is contestant 48, Wachi Parekh.
Five spots filled, 15 more to go, and the sixth one proceeding towards 42, Smriti Chopra.
Hands together for contestant number 10, Evelyn Zachhingpuii.
The next lady